In today's fast-paced digital world, the opportunities to make money online are vast, and one of the most powerful tools at your disposal is artificial intelligence, AI. AI isn't just for tech experts or large corporations anymore. It's available for everyday people looking to make extra cash or even build a full-time online business. In this guide, we'll explore how AI can help you unlock new revenue streams and answer some key questions you can ask AI to get started. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a sustainable online business, AI is here to help. 1. Why AI is the game changer for making money. Online AI has transformed how we work, and it's opening new avenues for earning money that didn't exist just a few years ago. With AI tools becoming more user-friendly and accessible, you no longer need to be an expert in coding, design, or business strategy to leverage its potential. Here are a few ways AI can help you make money online. 1. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI can automate routine tasks like content creation, customer service, and marketing, freeing up time for you to focus on more strategic work. 2. Personalized marketing. AI helps businesses target the right audience with the right products, which can increase your chances of earning through affiliate marketing or e-commerce. 3. AI-powered tools for creativity. Whether you're into writing, designing, or video editing, AI can help you produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently, which you can monetize in various ways. 2. Ways to use AI to make money online. Let's look at specific ways you can use AI to make money online. Freelancing and remote jobs. Many freelancers are already using AI tools to enhance their services. Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, or developer, AI can help you work faster and deliver higher quality work. 1. AI for content creation. Use AI-powered tools like Jasper.ai or WriteSonic to generate articles, blog posts, or even social media captions quickly. 1. This allows you to take on more clients and deliver content in less time. 2. AI design tools. Platforms like Canva and Trello use AI to help you design stunning graphics, presentations, and marketing materials with little effort. 2. You can offer design services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 3. AI for customer service. Use AI-powered chatbots to offer customer service for online stores. 3. Many businesses need automated solutions for their websites, and you can provide this service as a freelancer. B. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income by promoting products or services online. AI can play a big role in making your affiliate marketing efforts more successful. 1. AI for SEO, search engine optimization. Use AI tools like Surfer SEO or Phrase.io to optimize your website or blog for search engines. 1. The better your SEO, the more organic traffic you'll get, which means more potential commissions. 2. AI for email marketing. AI tools like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign can help automate email marketing campaigns, segment your audience, and personalize your outreach, increasing your affiliate commissions. C. Create and sell AI-generated content. If you have a knack for content creation, you can use AI to generate and sell various types of content online. 1. AI-generated music. Platforms like Amper Music allow you to create royalty-free music using AI. You can sell this music to YouTubers, game developers, or anyone who needs background tracks. 2. AI-generated artwork. Using tools like DALL-E 2 or Artbreeder, you can create unique art pieces and sell them on websites like Etsy or Redbubble. 3. AI-generated ebooks. If writing is your thing, you can use AI tools to help you draft and publish ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. 3. You can create guides, how-to books, or even fiction. AI in e-commerce. E-commerce is another area where AI is revolutionizing how money can be made. Whether you're running your own online store or utilizing AI for dropshipping, there are several ways to maximize profits. 1. AI for product recommendations. Use AI tools like Shopify's AI-powered recommendations or Algolia to recommend products to your customers based on their browsing behavior, increasing your store's sales. 2. Dropshipping with AI tools. Use AI-powered tools like Spocket or Oberlo to find trending products and automate your dropshipping business, reducing the time spent on inventory management and order fulfillment. 3. Questions to ask AI to make money. AI isn't just a passive tool, it can actively guide you to new opportunities. Here are some essential questions you can ask AI to help you get started with making money online. Ask AI to analyze your skills and suggest freelance job opportunities that align with your experience, location, and pay expectations. AI tools can perform audits of your website's content, suggesting keywords, improving page structure, and offering ways to enhance your visibility on search engines. AI-powered platforms like Google Trends, Thrive, or SaleWho can help you identify products that are currently in demand, increasing your chances of success in e-commerce. AI can analyze your current marketing efforts and offer personalized recommendations on how to improve your conversions, such as refining your content, optimizing your affiliate links, or automating your email marketing campaigns. AI can provide a list of tools for automating tasks such as scheduling, customer service, content generation, or social media management. If you're interested in selling AI-generated content, AI can provide you with recommendations on platforms to sell your work and tips on improving your creations. 4. How to avoid common pitfalls. While AI can be a powerful tool for making money, it's important to avoid common pitfalls. 1. Don't rely on AI exclusively. AI is a great tool, but it should complement your efforts, not replace them entirely. 1. Be sure to add your personal touch and creativity. 2. Don't neglect customer interaction. If you're using AI for customer service or content creation, make sure you're still interacting with your customers or audience to maintain a personal connection. 3. Don't ignore the importance of strategy. Even though AI can handle tasks, you still need a solid strategy for success. 3. Stay focused on your goals and ensure you're using AI to enhance your overall business plan. Conclusion: AI presents countless opportunities to make money online, whether you're freelancing, starting a business, or leveraging passive income strategies. By using the right AI tools and asking the right questions, you can create a sustainable income stream that aligns with your skills and goals. The key is to stay curious, continue learning about new technologies, and always look for ways to automate, optimize, and scale your efforts. With the power of AI, financial freedom is more achievable than ever. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online using AI. Drop a comment below with any questions or ideas you want to explore further. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you think someone else could benefit from this info, don't forget to share it. Stay ahead of the game, and thanks for watching.